I want to give you a quick overview how to install ATAK on Android phones, but it's the same, also applies to install it on your RC Plus or RC Pro controller for M300, M30T or M3T drones to fly with it. And I will show you here how to go on an S20 Samsung phone. We have to do 5 installations, so first we go to the Google Store, looking for ATAK, download ATAK. Next step is UOS tool, just downloading it. This is to fly the drones. You'll see also ATAK Go, ATAK Go 5. Then we go ZeroTier is our VPN to connect to each other, to all of the users through ZeroTier. I come back to it later on the video. Now we open back ATAK that we downloaded, and we have to do some agreements, and I understand, allowing using those apps. Everything needs to be allowed, what he's asking for, otherwise it will not start up. And at the end, file system access is the most important. It will show you to the menu. It opens himself and then go back, then ATAK will start up. This is the last thing you have to do. After that, load plugins, and then you can already put call sign identity, put your name, what the team wants you to do. Like for drone teams, some of them drone team, or like Eagle, or like I did now S20. This is my S20 phone, so I see on my map. Then we don't have a map, that we do later on, and we go now to check the plugins to get UOS tool loaded. It's important for later on to fly the drone with ATAK software. Now I will check everything back again, UOS tool, that the DJI tools are installed. Now we go to the magic to how to see each other, every device on the ATAK map, and we do this now through ZeroTier. It's free for 25 devices and it's very user friendly. You can use tail scale, it's more advanced, and you can put it on your own server, so that's what most police units are doing, putting tail scale, so you have your own VPN in your own system and not depend on third party. But we now, for practicing, going to use ZeroTier. Sign up at zerotier.com. I going to log in with my logins. We're using a basic plan, 25 devices, and create a network, give it a name, and we need a network ID to fill in on your phone's ZeroTier app. We need a website account to authorize the devices. So on top, the network ID is very important. There are 16 characters, and you see also QR code symbol. You can click on it, then open your app, ZeroTier app on your phone, and scan the code. That's it. Or if the scanning is not working, just type in those 16 characters on the ZeroTier app on your Android device, phone, tablet, or RC controller. We go back to the phone, into the app, add network, and add the network ID, what we had in our panel on the website. We have to fill it in there, activate it, but you will see we have no authorization, so we have to go back to your panel on the website, on your account. And there we have to give authorization. You only have to do this once. After that, when you shut down your phone, your devices, just activate a ZeroTier on the app and it works. The activation is only once. So first thing you do is open ZeroTier on your phones or devices, then activate ZeroTier, the network ID, and then open ATAK, and all devices show up on the map. But we have only a basic map. We can import world web, OpenStreetMap, satellite images. It's for free. We're going to install it now. and show you how to do it, and then we are almost finished. So go back in your device and go to the web browser and look for Joshua Fuller GitHub. To go to the GitHub page and download the zip file with all the maps, topographic maps, satellite maps. And then I show you how to install it into ATAK. Scroll down on GitHub all the way down till you see here release page. Click on it and click on the zip. It's automatically downloading. Open it. It will automatically select, allow it, yes, and select everything and extract. It gives the same automatic the name ATAK maps, and there it is. We go back to download folder again, then go to the three dots, edit, the bottom left the move icon, and then go back to internal storage, ATAK folder that I show you here. If you go too far away, back to internal storage, you see ATAK map, and scroll down to the map imagery, and then on the bottom right, move here bottom, and that's it. Then you can go back to ATAK, open ATAK, and there we go, ATAK, and click on the map icon on the upper. You see the map symbol, not in the menu. I was looking in the menu. There's, you see the up, and there everything comes on under mobile. There are a lot of them. You can delete some of them. I like open topo map. You can see also the power lines, very easy, and of course using the Google satellite. There you go. But things can go even much easier if you just want like your fire truck to be displayed on your ATAK, on your controller of the drone, on the ATAK app or any other ATAK one. You can download the small app TAK Tracker. You still need ZeroTier on your devices that you want to track and see on your map. ZeroTier is just the server that connects all users together so you see each other on the map. So when you are driving to a fire, the driver or the officer needs to be sure that the ZeroTier app is activated and that the TAK Tracker app is open and can leave tablet or phone in the truck, can step out, and the drone pilot from the firefighter drone team can see the truck moving if they need to, if there is like a change of wind or the fire gets bigger. They can see the truck moving in real time. So when the officer comes to check out to your drone footage, he can live see where the vehicles have moved to another position. Same for police, like for a big soccer game, you can see all your anonymous police officer or policeman walking around on the ATAK map, just with ZeroTier and TAK Tracker that they have on their phone and just walking around. So you can track them. It's that simple and it's free.